Small talk at work. Hi, Daniel. How was your weekend?
Good. Very quiet.
Nice. What did you do?
I was in the park with my sister.
Oh, nice. Do you see her often?
Yes, I see her every week. She live near me.
She live?
Yes.
You should say she lives.
Ah, I always forget the S.
It's simple. With he, she, and it, we add S.
He, she, it. Add S.
Yes. She lives, he works, it looks.
Okay, I will remember. She lives near me.
Perfect. What does she do?
She works in a bank.
Very good.
I remembered.
I see you remembered. Great. Is she busy?
Yes, she starts work early. Her job sounds stressful. Oh, sounds. Her job sounds stressful.
Great correction.
I'm thinking about it now.
Do you see your friends too?
Yes, my friend Tom lives close.
Perfect.
He plays football.
You are getting better.
Yes, the S helps me now.
Practice helps.
Yes, English takes time.
You are doing very well.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
Feeling nervous in English. Hi, Lucas.
Hi, Mia.
How are you today?
Not good.
Oh, what happened?
I was in a shop today.
Did you need to speak English there?
Yes.
What did you want to buy?
Bread and milk.
And what happened when you spoke to the shop assistant?
He speak to me, but I don't understand.
Did he speak fast?
Yes, very fast.
And what did you say to him?
Only hello and thank you.
That's still good because you used English in real life.
I was very nervous.
Why were you nervous?
I don't understand him.
And what did you do when you didn't understand?
I just smile.
That is very common when people feel stressed.
I feel embarrassed.
I understand, but it is okay because you are learning.
I think he was laughing.
Sometimes when we feel nervous, we think people are laughing, but it is not always true.
My English is bad.
Your English is not bad because you can still buy things and communicate.
But I can't speak with strangers.
You can speak with me, so you already have English skills.
I am not stressed with you.
That is because you feel safe with me.
Yes.
And with more practice, you will feel the same with other people too.
Maybe.
Yes, it will get easier step by step.
Thank you.
You are welcome, and you did well today. Lunch break at work. Hi, Tom. Can I sit here?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, you can.
Why are you sitting alone? Come and sit with us.
I prefer sit alone.
Why do you prefer sitting alone?
I need speak English. I don't like it.
Don't worry. Everyone here is very friendly.
I feel stressed.
Why do you feel stressed?
I don't know these people.
That's normal in a new place, but people here are nice.
Last time, people laugh at me.
What happened? Why did they laugh?
I said sentence, but I forget will.
Oh, I understand. What did you want to say?
I say, tomorrow I go to meeting.
Ah, yes, you forgot will.
Yes, I don't know when use will.
I can explain it simply. We use will for future plans or future decisions.
Future plans.
Yes, so you can say, tomorrow I will go to the meeting.
I will go to meeting.
Perfect. And if you decide something now, you also use will.
Okay,
So it's not something to be afraid of.
I understand a little.
Good. It takes time.
Yes,
And don't worry about people laughing.
I try.
Most people are focused on themselves.
Okay.
You are doing better than you think.
Really?
Yes, you speak English every day.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Maybe I sit with you next time.
That's a good idea.
Friends meeting. Learning English. Oh, hi, John.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm okay. Just busy with work.
Are you still learning English?
Yes, but it's really hard for me.
What is the hardest part?
The tenses, past, present, and future. I forget them all the time.
That's okay. Many people do. Let me explain it simply.
Please, I need that.
Okay, present tense first. Present is for now and every day. For example, I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Good, that's correct. Now the past. Past is for yesterday or before. In the past, you add ed to the verb.
Okay.
For example, yesterday I worked from home.
Yesterday, I work from home.
Not quite. You forgot ed.
Oh,
When it's yesterday, you add ed.
okay. Yesterday, I worked from home.
Yes, much better. Remember, yesterday, add ed.
Yesterday, add ed.
Exactly. Now the future. Future is for tomorrow. For the future, you add will.
Okay.
For example, tomorrow I will meet my boss.
Tomorrow, I meet my boss.
You forgot will.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow, I will meet my boss.
Perfect. So remember, yesterday, add ed. Tomorrow, add will.
Yesterday, add ed. Tomorrow, add will.
Yes, that's it.
Wow. Now I really understand.
See? Simple rules help.
Thank you so much, Emma.
You're welcome. We can practice again next time.
Yes, please. I feel more confident now.
You're doing great. At work. Coffee break. Mini English quiz. Hey, John.
Hey, Emma.
Making coffee?
Yes, I really need it today.
Same here. How is your English study going?
Slowly. I still forget past and future.
No problem. Let's do a quick quiz while we wait for the coffee.
Okay.
First one. Present tense. Every morning, I drink coffee at work.
Every morning, I drink coffee at work.
Good. Now past. Listen carefully. Yesterday, I drank coffee at work.
Yesterday, I drink coffee at work.
Not quite. Yesterday means the past. You need the past form.
Yesterday, I drinked coffee at work.
Almost. This verb is irregular. Drink becomes drank.
Okay. Yesterday, I drank coffee at work.
Perfect. Remember this. Sometimes you add ed and sometimes the word changes.
That's confusing for me.
I know. I didn't tell you before, but there is a list you can learn.
A list?
Yes. a table with verbs, present, past, and past participle.
So I can study the words from the table?
Exactly. A little every day. Now the future. Tomorrow I will drink coffee at work.
Tomorrow I will drink coffee at work.
Very good. You remembered will.
I remembered this time.
I can see that. You're improving.
Now I really understand it.
Great. Keep going.